Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and this evening what I have for everyone is just a real quick video, and I want to ask a question. But first, before I ask a question, I want to show y'all a little pro tip. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but maybe you're a long time return viewer, but my editor of choice across multiple um, devices is Kinemaster or KaiMaster or however you want to pronounce it. But what I did was I used my Google Play account to get the subscription. And I realized recently that that is not the best way to get the subscription because that means that I have to get a separate subscription to use the KineMaster editing software on my iOS devices. Well, maybe I'm a little late to the game. It is what it is. Maybe some other people didn't know it either. But there is a way to get KineMaster for one price and use it on either iOS or Android. Okay? So you only have to pay one subscription, not multiple subscriptions. And all of this came about because of the recent ruling from Apple where, it was kind of stated that they were using nefarious practices to kind of get their money. So they wanted to get their fee no matter what. And from that ruling, I realized that yes, that's kind of what Apple did. Okay? And in that ruling, they made it really hard for developers of applications to give their customers a more cost effective way of getting the subscription based applications that they were accustomed to on iOS. And in that ruling, I noticed that it was stated that a lot of developers really wanted to tell their customers that there was a cheaper way to get access to the subscription for that particular application if you go through the developers or app company's site and then load into your account after you purchased the subscription from the developer's site. And I was like, oh snap, light bulb. Maybe you can do that with KineMaster or KaiMaster. And lo and behold, after checking it on Google and with ChatGPT, you can. So, this is what you have to do. So, if you use KaiMaster or KineMaster video editor like I do, there's a way for you to pay one subscription price and use the application with the full premium subscription on either iOS or Android. But what you have to do is you have to cancel your subscription on either iOS or Android, and then you want to go in to the KineMaster or KaiMaster website, log in with whatever account you want to use. So maybe you want to make a new account, then you want to log in, and then you want to pay for the subscription through the website. And then you can see I've already done it here. I paid for the annual subscription, so the yearly subscription, and then after you do that, it tells you your premium subscription is now active, and now you can sign into the KineMaster or KaiMaster application on iOS or Android devices and log into your KineMaster account, and then you have the premium benefits across either Android or iOS. wow, I wish this was easier to find out. This would have saved me a lot of money because I really wanted to use iOS devices for editing. Y'all know I'm on a quest right now to use Google specific devices. I'm kind of stepping away from Samsung. I was using Samsung specific devices to edit, but I'm on a quest right now to use Google specific devices or iOS specific devices. And I really want to compare Apples to Androids, okay? Android, or specifically Google, in their Pixel variety, is supposed to be the iOS of Android. And I want to compare that to Apple's iOS platform. So I want to compare Google stock Android Pixel devices against Apple in their iOS devices. Because if you want a direct manufacturer comparison, so if you want stock Android the way it was intended to be, then you need to be picking up and using Google or Google Pixel devices. And you know, if you use iOS, you only have one, company to choose from, Apple. All right? So this has been a quest that I started recently at the end of last year. And it's only because I'm very comfortable with Samsung. I use Samsung for a lot of my content creation and social media. But I really wanted to step away from such a heavily skinned version of Android and use a more stock version of Android and compare it to the base iOS experience. And that's kind of what this is in an effort to do. So now I can sign into my video editing software on my iOS devices and edit my videos and upload my videos strictly or straight from my iOS devices. I don't know if you guys and gals checked out my last video, but I actually recently picked up an iPad and I recently picked up 2 iPhones. I picked up an iPhone 13 Pro Max and I picked up an iPhone 15 Plus, and I really want to edit and create content strictly with iOS, just like I have been with my Pixel devices. And I really want to compare that experience to the experience I have on my Samsung devices and really let you guys and gals know if a stock Android experience in the Google Pixel experience is superior or on par with the iOS experience. Alright? So that's what I've been doing. But real quick tip there, if you use multiple OSs or if you use Android and iOS and you use KineMaster or KiMaster, quick tip to where you can get the service and pay one subscription and you don't have to pay multiple subscriptions across OSs. Okay? That being said, last thing before I get up out of here, KineMaster. Question. Is it possible for you guys to make a Windows application? I would love to have KineMaster or KiMaster on my Windows PC, and then that would make it easier to edit videos like this one, which I'm using OBS Studio for, directly on my PC and upload it directly to YouTube from my PC. So, KineMaster, is it possible for you guys to make a Windows application or port over your iOS or Android application to Windows so you can get more customers that are more comfortable using the Windows platform? Okay? Just a quick question. I don't know if anybody from KineMaster or KiMaster is going to see this video. Hopefully you guys and gals share this video and get it in front of the right eyes, and I might get an answer to my question. Or maybe somebody knows the answer to this question. You guys and gals can leave your feedback down below in the comments, and we can get into a nice conversation about this down below in the comments. What do y'all think? Do y'all think it would be cool to have KineMaster or KiMaster available across all three major OSs and platforms. In the all three major OSs and platforms being Windows, which is Microsoft, Android, okay, which is Google, and iOS, which is Apple. I think it would be really cool if we had this really powerful editing software across all three platforms. Because right now, there's not really a streamlined and easy to understand and digest video editing software for Windows. There are multiple easy to digest and easy to understand and straightforward pieces of software for Android and iOS, but not so much for Windows. Okay? And I say that being someone who looked into it. The only thing that you have is DaVinci Resolve for Windows, and that is not too straightforward. There is actually a very high learning curve to that. And then you have other pay to use applications like Adobe Rush or Adobe Premiere. And it would just be nice to have a more straightforward application to use on Windows. And even better still, it would be nice to have a KineMaster port for Windows. Okay? Anyways, I don't want to ramble too much longer. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. I hope everyone's having a great evening. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.